Let us begin chapter number 13 in EVS. The name of the chapter is Keeping Our House and Surroundings Clean. Here we are going to learn how to keep our house clean and how to keep our surroundings clean. So let us begin, okay? Look at these pictures, A and B. What do you find? What is the difference do you find in these two pictures? A is a neat and clean room and B is a dirty and unclean room. Okay. So which one do you like, A or B? Now you have to do this by yourself. And why you like A or why you like B, you need to write the answer here. Keeping our house clean. We work and play at home. We rest and sleep at home. We spend a lot of time at home. We feel nice to live in a clean home, don't we? So, we work and play at home. We even rest and sleep at home and spend lot of time at home. Therefore, we should keep our home neat and clean. Walk into your home today. Is it clean or dirty? You have to write this by yourself. It is good to keep the home clean. A clean home keeps us healthy too. Dirty clothes, unclean dishes, unfinished food and waste and untidy rooms can make the house dirty, dusty and smelly with germs. Rats, mice, cockroaches, houseflies and mosquitoes live in dirty houses. They can make us ill. So, it is very important to keep the home clean because a clean home always keeps you healthy. So, therefore, all this, dirty clothes, unclean dishes, unfinished food, waste, untidy rooms, that can make the house very dirty, dusty and smelly, and there will be lots of germs too. And therefore, all will make you sick. Even these insects will accumulate in the house, in the dirty house, and this will make you sick and ill. Therefore, it is very, very important to keep the home clean and tidy. So, we must do all that we can to keep our home clean and tidy. Let's learn how we can do that. So, we are going to learn now what things we should do to keep our home clean and tidy. Everything in the house should be kept in the proper place. The first thing you need to do that you should arrange the things in the proper way. All the things should be kept in the proper place. After playing, make sure you put back your toys in the shelves. When you complete your playing, when you finish your playing, you need to put back your toys in the proper place, that is in the proper shelves. Put away your books too after finishing your homework. When you complete your studies or finish your homework, you need to keep your books and copies in the proper place. Leaving things on the floor can make the place very dirty. And if you leave your things on the floor, that will make the place very dirty and untidy. Think about it. Arun left all his toys on the floor. See what happened to his little sister. Now see, all the toys are kept on the floor and Arun's little sister, she stumbled on the toys and she fell down and she got hurt. So therefore we should keep all the things in the proper place. We should sweep, dust and mop the house every day. You need to sweep, dust and mop the house every day. Then only your house will be clean and tidy. Furniture, curtains, carpets and other household items should be cleaned and dusted regularly. Wash the bed sheets and pillowcases once a week. So even the furniture, curtains, carpet and other household items should be cleaned and dusted regularly, means every day. And then wash your bed sheets and pillow cover once a week. So this is the end of part 1 in this EVS.